Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you some dinner ideas. Hopefully this will give you some inspiration if you are in a dinner slump and just don't know what to cook. So if you are interested, just keep watching. On Monday we had chicken tacos, so I'm just starting out by cooking my chicken in the crock pot with a packet of ranch seasoning and a packet of chicken taco seasoning. This cooked for about 3 hours and it was perfect. I serve this with refried beans and Mexican rice, and this is pretty self-explanatory, but the secret to good refried beans is sour cream. If you have not put sour cream in your refried beans, you are missing out. On Tuesday we had ham and cheese sliders with some chips and a side salad. This is pretty easy, so I'm just going to let the video play, but this was definitely a hit in our house. I was really struggling to cut this bread. I think next time I will cut it in fourths and then cut it that way, but it all worked out in the end. On Wednesday, we had fried chicken with mashed potatoes and green beans. If you guys don't know this about me, this is my absolute favorite meal that I cook. So I'm just using the Great Value chicken patties. I just follow the directions, and then I use Bob Evans mashed potatoes, whip up some gravy real quick, and we use the French style green beans, and I use beef bouillon cubes in my green beans. If you have not tried that, you're really missing out because it is a game changer. On Thursday night we had pizza, and Friday we ate out at Taco Bell. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.